In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop at IKEA using the IKEA Family Card. If you're a frequent IKEA shopper, this guide is perfect for you. Not only will it walk you through setting up your account, but it will also highlight the many perks that come with being an IKEA family member. First up, you'll want to head over to IKEA's official website. Once you're there, look for the Hedge option, which is your gateway to logging in or creating your IKEA account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's quick and easy to do so, and it's the first step towards accessing those member perks. Already have an account? Great. Click on the Sign In button. You'll need to enter your email. Make sure it's the one associated with your IKEA family membership. Once you've typed that in, proceed by selecting Log In with your password, then enter your password, and you're almost there. To finalize, click on Log In. With that done, you're now logged into your IKEA family profile. Now let's explore your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile name at the top and from there, select your IKEA family. Here you'll find your digital IKEA family card, complete with your member ID and QR code. Additionally, for more convenience, this information is also available in the IKEA mobile app under the IKEA Family Card section. Shopping with your IKEA family card is simple and rewarding. As you browse through IKEA's online catalog, you can start adding items to your shopping cart. Keep an eye out for the IKEA family price tags next to products. These indicate discounts exclusive to members, and the best part is, they're automatically applied to your purchase as long as you're logged in. When you're ready to check out, click the shopping cart icon and proceed to go to checkout. Ensure your account remains logged in to secure all the available member discounts that automatically adjust your final bill. To make the most of your IKEA family membership, navigate to IKEA Family and then to Benefits. Here you can check any exclusive rewards, coupons, or sales that you're eligible for. It's also the right place to tweak your communication preferences through the Profile settings. Don't forget, your IKEA family account keeps a neat record of all your purchases under My Account and Purchases. Whether you need to download a receipt or manage a return, everything's kept organized for you. Speaking of returns or exchanges, linking your purchases to your IKEA family account often simplifies the return process. A handy tip to keep in mind the next time you need to make a return. And that's it! With an IKEA family card, not only do you save more, but you shop smarter and unlock a seamless shopping experience. Take advantage of the rewards and ease that come with being an IKEA family member. Happy shopping!